Jared has some stories that he's gonna share with us. The first one happened a couple days ago. Let's take this away.
Well, I kind of drove my car.
Okay, no pausing between every word.
Okay,
Gross.
I started to drive the car, and then my mom got mad at me, and then my dad told me that he was gonna take me to the police.
Okay, let's start over. Okay, so you were going to lunch at the junior high,
And then I rode my
and
bike
Mom told Emily to go get the car,
And then I
Jared
thought,
drove. Go ahead.
No, and then I thought that Mom was talking to me.
Yeah, that's a made-up detail.
Fine.
He wanted
And
to.
I wanted to, and then I went back there. Got
So
the
he
keys,
drove his bike home, got the keys.
And then I started the car, and then I started driving it. First, I almost came that close to the tree from the side of the car, and then I just started driving all over the place.
And what else did you almost do?
I almost crashed into Eli.
You almost ran over Eli
Yeah, he ran in front of me.
on his bike.
Yeah,
And then he crashed, and then you luckily stopped.
yeah. And then Mom hopped in a car with the skinny guy, and then he drove in his blue car.
She hopped in the car with
And
the skinny guy.
and he drives like a maniac.
Well, probably trying to rescue.
No, he drives like a maniac no matter what. One time he was backing up, and then he saw a car, and then once the car went by, he still thought the car was there, so he backed up, did like this really cool spin with his car, and then he started driving away.
Huh.
It's so cool.
The skinny stranger, huh?
Anything that for?
And then Mom rode in the car, and then she told me to stop the car.
Uh-huh.
And then I went to the junior high. And then the next story.
Okay, let's take a pause.
Where's Emily?